A severely damaged motorhome side wall awaits expert repair. Exposed wood and severely damaged panels require restoration efforts. The construction, consisting of alloy framing, plywood and fiberglass panels, all require attention. The heavily damaged front quarter panel also requires intervention. Significant side wall damage required an entire section replacement. A breakdown of the repair process was calculated for the insurance company. We always liaise with the assessor and insurance company on behalf of the owner. In this case, we rebuilt the lower wall section in one piece, carefully transferring the whole piece to the vehicle side. New alloy corner columns were folded to match existing. The fiberglass front nose cone was removed and refiberglassed. After a partial respray, the exterior dramatically changes the look of the motorhome and showcases an expert repair, confidently confirming Vantage RV's excellence in complex repairs.